Second row, last three problems. 2B, level 2B, page number 14. Second row, last three problems. Take 53, less 4. Less 4 you can't do directly. So less 4 is first you need to do less 10. Then add 6. Less 10 is less 50. Add 40. Add 6. Then less 9 directly. So the answer is
40.
40. Next question 54. Less 7. How to do less 7? Less 10. Add 3. Less 10 is less 50. Add 40. Add 3 is add 5 less 2. Then less 2. Answer is
45.
45. Next 57. Less 9 is less 10. Add 1. Less 6 directly. Answer is
42.
42. Last row. 67. Less 6 directly. Again less 7. Less 7 is less 10. Add 3. Answer is
54.
54. Next question 56. Less 9 is less 10. Add 1. Add 4 is add 10 less 6. Answer is
51.
51. Next take 51. Less 7 is less 10. Add 3. Add 8 is add 10 less 2. Answer is
52. Man. Man.